Are you planning to remodel your kitchen and wondering whether to reface or replace your cabinets? It's a common predicament, balancing aesthetic desires with practical considerations. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate this decision. Today we'll look at both options, comparing their benefits and drawbacks. First, let's delve into refacing. This process breathes new life into your kitchen by updating the doors and hardware of your cabinets. It's a quicker, less expensive route that also produces less waste, making it an environmentally friendly option. However, while it does give your kitchen a fresh look, refacing doesn't make any changes to the layout or provide a significant boost to your home's value. So if you're on the hunt for a minor update and keen to keep costs down, refacing may be the perfect option for you. Now, let's examine replacing cabinets. This process involves a complete overhaul of your existing cabinetry, providing you with total design flexibility. You can tailor every inch to your needs, improving functionality and maximizing use of space. It's a great way to substantially increase your home's value, however, it's not all sunshine and roses. Replacing cabinets comes with a higher price tag and requires a longer time commitment. But if a complete makeover is what you're after and you're prepared to invest more time and money, replacing your cabinets could be the right choice. So, refacing or replacing, which one should you choose? Remember, refacing is quicker and less costly, perfect for minor updates. Replacement, on the other hand, offers design flexibility and a significant boost in home value. Take into account your goals, budget, the condition of your cabinets, and time constraints. For personalized advice and a detailed quote, consider consulting with experts like those at Payless Kitchen Cabinets. It's your kitchen, make the choice that best suits your needs.